The capacitor start, capacitor run, or CSR motor is the best all-around motor used in our industry. It utilizes a running capacitor to achieve the good running efficiency of a PSC motor and a starting capacitor to give it a high starting torque. These two capacitors are connected in parallel, and the effective capacitance will be the sum of the capacitors. For example, if the starting and running capacitors have ratings of 100 microfarads and 10 microfarads, the total capacitance in the circuit will be 110 microfarads. In order to remove the starting capacitor from the circuit, there must be a set of electrical contacts in series with it. These contacts will open when the starting capacitor is to be removed from the circuit. If a current relay is used, remember that the contacts are normally in the open position. This set of contacts is controlled by a high-resistance coil that's wired in parallel with the start winding. This coil senses the induced voltage in the start winding and causes the normally closed contacts to open at the appropriate time. The coil and the normally closed contacts comprise a device known as a potential relay. When the motor is initially energized, both the starting and running capacitors are in the active circuit. Once the motor reaches its designed operating conditions, the starting capacitor is removed from the circuit, leaving the motor to operate as a PSC motor.